Here's something that nobody tells you. When you first try to build your own app, you end up getting stuck and overwhelmed. Most people end up quitting. You'll run into unexpected issues, you won't know how to connect things, and you might end up just burning through all of your AI credits before you even have a finished product. By the end of this series, you're not only going to have a live app, but you're going to spend $0 making it. I'm going to show you exactly what you have to do to go from idea to shipped product that people can actually use and that you can make money from. And I need you to hear this. If you've never written a single line of code, you're exactly who I made this for. Let's get started. Before we get into the lesson, I just want to show you, this is something that I created. It's called Hook Lab, and it was basically just a fun project so I could help come up with hooks for TikTok videos, YouTube, and different topics. Just to show you how easy it is, all you have to do is put in a good Lovable prompt, and then it'll generate this. Now, normally, learning this stuff means watching a tutorial, pausing it, rewatching, getting lost. MissionForge is an AI tutor that lives right on your screen and shows you your exact next move. This is Lovable. You can get to it free. Link is in the description. It turns plain English into a working app. You can see MissionForge's overlay. So what we're going to do here is we're going to connect Supabase. We're going to put in a prompt. I'm going to show you the best practices here. And then we're going to add in GitHub so we can house our code there. Let's get into it. First, let me move our little buddy here. So we're going to start by hitting guide me on our MissionForge. It's going to take us right to the next action that we have to take on Lovable, which in this case is connecting Supabase. Rally pledge. This is a random one. Doesn't matter. And we're going to authorize. We've connected Supabase. So now that we've connected our Supabase to Lovable, that's going to be a sync that's going to continually happen. So what I suggest you do next is open up Claude and then in plain English, just write out a description of what you want to build. Go as deep as you want to. Pause this video and literally take some time, write out all the things you want to do in your new app that you're building, put it in Claude, and then tell it to make it a Lovable prompt that you can then copy and paste into Lovable, and it'll generate your app without you having to burn a bunch of credits iterating it directly on Lovable. So now we can do what MissionForge is telling us to do, and we can take our prompt from Claude, boom, and we're just going to hit build. Okay, so now that your app is building, it's going to continue to do that in the backend. With MissionForge, it's going to automatically teleport you to GitHub. If you're in Express mode, I'm not, so I'll have to just click the button. But what's going to happen now is we're going to connect GitHub while that app is being built, and it'll two-way sync, so it's going to constantly share progress. And GitHub is going to act as the home for your code, so you can have a nice safety net to keep it there. So we're going to do that, and then wait for our code to be finished generating, and then we're done. For now. So here's the full road ahead. Of course, Lovable was the easy part. It almost didn't even need to be a video, frankly, but it is the right way to start. The important context here is that you should use your Claude to make your prompt. You should connect to GitHub. You should connect to Supabase so you can have your backend and your code repository. The next videos are going to be more complex. Maybe not GitHub as much, but the future ones after that are going to be technical, a lot of setup work, and it's going to connect all these things together. So just so you give the heads up, we're going to go from GitHub to Supabase to Vercel. So just get ready for it. See you next time.